My name is Eric Mims. As Christopher so eloquently said, I own Mims Motors. The company's named after my father, Matthew Mims, originally from Akron, Ohio, and a Midwest boy down in the Las Vegas area. We're moving out here to Detroit, Michigan, in order to be in the Motor City. The first black car manufacturer in 100 years. The first one was C.R. Patterson and Sons.
We make cars?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, 100 years ago, C.R. Patterson and Sons out of Cleveland, Ohio, was the very first black car manufacturer in the United States, and the second. So it's going to be it's an honor to be here in Detroit, to meet a number of people here at the City Council today. It was meeting a lot of different people and trying to get some things done here. We've got 14 different vehicles we're going to be coming out with, and one of the most important things is we discussed with the City Council is that we're coming out with vehicles, not only high-end vehicles, but also vehicles in mid-range and lower that anybody can afford.
And they're gorgeous. Man, would you see these things?
Well, we hope that we want to make something that's going to be really important for people to have pride in driving.
But the one thing I want to share with them, because our business plan is crazy. Your brain is crazy. And I mean, this is a lifestyle. So it's not just about making cars. Again, it's not just about putting people, in a factory doing stuff. It's not really that. This is a lifestyle. We're talking about having healthcare in the plant. We're talking about having, daycare in the plant. We're talking about, teaching people design, teaching computers. We have another company that has a satellite orbiting the Earth. So inside the car, of course, we have a screen in there. We'll be having, a way that you can connect to your phone. You can get a phone number in the car. People work for Mims Motors. There'll also be schools who are going to school. People learn about everything from design to electronics to computers. Teach new technology. We have nanotechnology. We have connected with folks who have already really not only wanting the car, but they want to be involved in every way they can to help this go to another level. And we'll share and license this technology with some of the other vehicles that one delivery is looking to have an electric car that'll go 1,000 miles and a single charge takes less than 5 minutes to charge now.
Not only that, not only with the number of vehicles and the people that we're going to be hiring to just manufacture the cars, there are other jobs that will be available for charging station attendants. We'll be training people right out of high school. You'll be able to get a job for life just like it was back in the day. As you and I know, you would come out of high school or something like that, maybe go to college and go to work for Ford or Nissan, Ford or GM or Chrysler and have a job for life. Well, we're bringing that type of situation back. You can start out as a charging station attendant, go from there, become a crew chief, station chief, and then a regional chief, and then from there, if you want to learn how to go and do design, you want to learn how to manufacture vehicles, you want to design vehicles, you want to design something that will help us to get to the next level. So far as space travel or whatever it is that you want to get involved with. Like with NASA, we've got some things that we'll be doing with NASA because the technology is so advanced. It will allow us to create clean, drinkable water from salt water. That's one of the things that's a byproduct of the technology. So it's something that, it's a little bit for everyone. It's not just a car company per se. We are into electric vehicles. We're into electricity. We're into clean water purification. And as you said about the satellite systems and things like that. So there's a number of different ways to move forward with Mims Motors. The educational side of things will be there. So sometimes you have to, people who have gotten into a position where they've either had to take a job or go to school. This is going to allow you to learn a trade. It's going to allow you to learn how to do different things that you can move forward in different areas of your life. So it's not a situation where, it's one or the other, but we're trying to, like you said, make a lifestyle change. And being from Ohio and being a Midwest boy, and you as a Midwest boy, we coming back to try and help our people move forward, as in the Midwest, because Midwest people are different than everybody else. You live in California, I live in Nevada, and you don't get that home that you get out, here. You come back here, and so many people, are so nice and helpful. You know what I mean? And we deserve an opportunity to gain that opportunity to have the good job, not a job that's paying $5 or $7 an hour. Talking about 15, 20, $30 an hour. That's the kind of job positions that we're looking to try and bring back, where a person can actually take care of themselves, buy one of our cars, utilize our technology, and move forward and take care of their families.